So now I'm going to plug it in. And watch what happens on my screen here. I'm going to plug it in, and you're going to see that Windows 98 is automatically going to detect it on the fly that I plugged something in. Okay, it says unknown device. Windows has found new hardware and is locating the software. Figures out that it's a Storm Technology Logitech page scan. It's installing the software, and now I'm ready to go. And you recall the example with the USB speakers. When I hit the volume control, there was some interactivity between the hardware and the software. I've got that again with this scanner. I'm going to hit the button here, and that's going to tell Windows that, hey, I want to use the scanner, so launch the imaging application. So here we go.
There it goes.
Launches the imaging application. And now we're going to scan in a picture here. Let's scan in, I think this is your son. Looks kind of like Edward.
Looks familiar.
So let's scan Edward in. And here we go. So you notice here, in about 60 seconds, we've gone from never having used this device on this PC to installing it and
a fully working scanner.
Exactly. And you compare that to a Windows 95, where a lot of times scanners, especially, can take hours.
Yeah.
So that's really one of the biggest benefit of USB, is that it's just so easy to add devices on the fly. Now, some of you may be thinking, hey, I've never heard of USB. How do I know if my PC has USB support? Turns out that most PCs shipping today, about 80% of all PCs shipping today, have USB ports on them. And we actually estimate, based on IDC's estimates, that there are about 30 million USB-enabled PCs out there. So if you have one of those special little ports on your PC, you can start to add USB devices to your PC with Windows 98.
Right. Fantastic.
Okay, so why don't we wrap up here? And what we've seen here is that Windows 98, it works better and it plays better. It works better because it's easier, it's faster, and it's smarter. We've got great troubleshooting utilities. We've made applications launch faster. With FAT32, you can store information more efficiently. We've also automated the process of keeping your PC in its optimal state.
The maintenance wizard and the system file checker, etc. Yeah.
And then, Dave, I'm sure you can talk about how it plays better.
Totally. Well, we've shown you with DirectX games with much better quality of video and graphics, and the speed of graphics, really cool. Support for DVD makes your PC a much better entertainment platform, and with USB capabilities, you can do a lot more with your PC, and then finally, you can watch TV on your PC and take advantage of interactive programming.
Great. Well, thanks very much, and enjoy Windows 98.